If you're trading crypto in South Africa, it's time to sit up and pay attention because SARS is coming after you. The South African Revenue Service, SARS, is ramping up its efforts to enforce tax compliance in the crypto sector, and traders are starting to feel the heat. Notices are going out, and if you've received one, your tax affairs are officially under review. This isn't just a random check. SARS is serious about cracking down on non-compliance, and they're using information from various crypto exchanges to do it. Legal experts are sounding the alarm. You need to comply, and fast, or you could face penalties, including possible criminal charges under the Tax Administration Act. This is part of SARS's broader strategy to leave no stone unturned in its pursuit of revenue collection. And that means crypto trading profits are squarely in the spotlight. SARS is also leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to track down non-compliant traders. Although we don't know the full extent of how they're using AI, it's clear they're pulling out all the stops. But SARS isn't alone in this effort. The South African Reserve Bank has also made its stance on crypto clear, especially regarding exchange control regulations. According to SARB, the current exchange control manuals don't allow for cross-border transfers for buying crypto. However, individuals can still use their single discretionary allowance of up to R1 million per year or their foreign capital allowance to legally invest in crypto. So, there is a legal path for South Africans to get into the crypto market, but only if they follow the rules. This increased scrutiny signals a new era of accountability for crypto traders. The days of flying under the radar are over. Traders now have to navigate a more complex regulatory landscape to avoid penalties and legal trouble. But what exactly does this mean for how crypto is taxed? In South African tax law, crypto assets are considered financial instruments under the Income Tax Act. Any profits from dealing in crypto could be subject to tax, and it's crucial for traders to disclose their gains or losses each tax year. A common misconception is that you only owe tax when you convert crypto into fiat currency, but that's not the case. Any sale, exchange, or disposal of crypto assets can trigger a taxable event. The key difference is whether your crypto is classified as a capital asset or trading stock. If it's considered a capital asset, you'll only be subject to capital gains tax. But if SARS views your crypto dealings as income, you could be taxed at rates as high as 45% for individuals or 27% for companies, especially if you're a frequent trader. SARS has made it clear that no one is exempt from scrutiny, even if you haven't declared your crypto profits in the past. They're not just looking at recent transactions either. They can go back further if they find evidence of non-disclosure, fraud, or misrepresentation. And even if you've played by the rules, you're not completely in the clear, especially if you've been trading on foreign platforms without the necessary SARB authorization. So, what does all this mean? If you're involved in crypto trading in South Africa, the regulatory landscape is tightening. It's more important than ever to ensure that you're fully compliant with both SARS and SARB regulations. Failure to do so could result in significant penalties, legal repercussions, and a massive headache down the line.